Ciao, kumusta? My name is Victor, and can you guys spot me? Yeah, I'm all the way here. So we are testing out this range of the 7 Rhymes iRay DW20, and they sent me a free product to review. Thank you, 7 Rhymes. The reason why I'm testing this out with this video is because this ties in very well into this video, and it's one of the reasons why I made huge mistakes on my $60,000 video production shoot in China. Back in 2019, I made the jump to become a full-time freelancer, and I focused on building my video production business. I worked full-time in an international marketing team as the video guy. What the company was providing me wasn't enough. So to fill this creative pursuit, I had to plan to quit once I had something lined up. On the side, I was doing freelance work while I was doing my full-time job. Until one day, Grace, my girlfriend, found us the biggest video project of our lives. So we landed the $60,000 documentary in China with one of the biggest companies in China. It probably is the biggest tech company in China, but don't quote me on that. That begs the question, how the hell did we mess up the biggest project of our lives?